In this video, we're going to look at how we can find unknown values in an identity. With the example on the left-hand side, I've been given an identity, highlighted by the fact that this symbol has been used. This means that for all values of x, the left-hand side will equal the right-hand side. In order to solve this problem, I'm going to find the values of f and g by equating coefficients. What this means is that I need to simplify the left-hand side and then compare it with what I've got on the right-hand side. In a previous video that I'll link here, we learned of a technique in order to be able to multiply out the brackets. 7x times 4x is 28x squared. 7x times 7 is 49x. Negative 8 times 4x is negative 32x. And negative 8 times 7 is negative 56. Simplifying the middle two terms, I get 28x squared plus 17x and minus 56. By writing the right-hand side of the identity underneath it, 28x squared plus fx plus g, you can see that it's now possible to read off my value of f and also my value of g. F is 17 and g is equal to negative 56 by equating the coefficients. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So like what we did with the left hand side, I need to be able to multiply out the brackets first. So 3x times 4x is 12x squared. 3x times 5 is 15x. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. And negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. By simplifying the middle two terms, I end up with 12x squared plus 3x, take away 15. Now writing the right-hand side of my identity underneath, 12x squared plus ax plus b, we can clearly see that the value of a and the value of b can be read. That a is equal to 3 and b is equal to negative 15.